We have a resort day, rest day planned. So far, we slept in until 9 o'clock. Got much needed rest that we all desperately needed. We went down, we had breakfast and Mickey beignets because we're staying at Port Orleans French Quarter this time. So we got a helping of Mickey beignets and they were devoured within seconds. So I'm curious to know in the comments, do you prefer Mickey waffles or Mickey beignets? Let me know if you have a preference. My kids said why not both, and they got both, and that's fine. You want one?
Yeah, I want one.
Okay. And then after breakfast, we took them down. We're letting them play on the playground. Neil is going to stay behind and let them continue playing on the playground, and I'm going to Disney Springs to do some of my shopping. So come along. They're going to meet us there later for lunch, and we have a really fun dinner planned, and I'm so excited. Take you shopping, show you some of my favorite shops here at Disney Springs, and to show you what I find. First of all, I always love coming to the art store. They have all kinds of beautiful art. They also have someone you can watch make art. So let me show you some of the pieces they have here. I need this one. Neil, this is for you. I love that one with the castle. These would be so pretty for a little girl's room. Oh, it's signed by everyone who voiced them. That is so cool. We'll be going to the Christmas store, but I have to wait for the kiddos because I let them pick out our Christmas ornament. We get one every time we come. Really, on any vacation we go on, we get a Christmas ornament. So we will have to bring the kiddos to let them pick out our Christmas ornament. Now I want to go to the Trend store, which is right across the way. They have all kinds of really cool stuff in here. It's also connected to the co-op store. So they have so many different just things. I don't know how to even explain it, so let me just take you inside with me and show you. So we have a list of items, the things that I am looking for today. We need 2 penny books, one for each daughter, because we collect pressed pennies while we are here. I still love this bag right there. The fact that I don't have it is just pure wheel. Strong wheel, because I want it so bad. Okay, but things that I'm looking for today. Oh, this new set just came out and I love it so much. I am looking for, I need a pin with a year on it because I get a pin every year. I need a Christmas ornament because we get one every family trip. I need a Rapunzel shirt because the Rapunzel shirt I ordered never shipped. So I need to find a Rapunzel shirt for me because everybody has Rapunzel for the last day of our trip except for me. So I need to find something Rapunzel. And the penny books. I think that's all, but you know, who knows. So inside, that was the Trend store. And here is co-op, and there are a bunch of different like sections. Like there's an art section, here's an eats section, there's a home decor, and it's all very different items. Some of it you can't find anywhere else, or it's a little bit more difficult. Like this is all food themed, Disney snack themed items, and that's really cool. And I get distracted really bad when I'm here shopping at Disney. I love this whole collection. It just came out not too long ago, and I love it. Like the coat rack, the desk lamp. Like I just want all of it. Another thing is anything that you purchase here, you can have it shipped to your house. You can pay to have it mailed to you, so you don't have to worry about carrying things home in your luggage. For instance, last time I was here, it was Halloween. No, not last time. But anyways, one of the times that I was here, they had Halloween out, and I purchased the light up Mickey trick-or-treat baskets for my kiddos, and I had to have it shipped to my house because I wasn't gonna have room in my suitcases for those 2 big Mickey Mouse things. I think it was like $12 maybe to ship them, so it wasn't too bad. It's all gonna depend on where you live and how big your items are. Okay, so now we're going into the World of Disney. This is where I'm probably going to find all of our items, or most of them. This is the biggest Disney store, so you can usually find everything that you need here. I love that Christmas ornament. Let's see. I'm going to try to stay on focus here. It's busier than I was expecting to be, but it is spring break week, and it's right before Easter, so I'm not surprised it's this busy. Typically, if you come in the off season, Disney Springs is dead during the day, especially on a weekday. Most people are at the parks. It gets really busy in the night, in the evening time, and it gets even busier on a Saturday night. Oh, they have a flat one. I think we're gonna get the flat one. I absolutely love this one, but I'm so paranoid about them breaking, so we will probably end up getting this one for our Christmas ornament this trip. I like this design. This is the design this year that they did. It's got all the icons, but the castle's always pink. There's the lounge flower, the ears, the clothes. Okay, here we go, adult tees. Love the Main Street USA. I do like this one too with all the different little icons. Love the partner statue. Love the Fantasyland. But I'm not seeing my princesses yet. I've got to find a Rapunzel shirt, and I didn't think it would be this hard. So I will I'm gonna look. Focus. Here's the collection I love so much. There are 2 collections I love, and this is one, and then the other one I showed earlier. This shirt is the Fab 5 on all the different attractions. No, it's the Sensational 6. There's Daisy. And they're on different Magic Kingdom attractions.
Once Neil and the girls met back up with me over at Disney Springs, we then headed over to the Polite Pig to grab some lunch. This is some of the best barbecue around. And then after, we of course headed back over to the Christmas shop and got our Christmas ornament for the year. And we also picked up the girls' birthday buttons. You can get them customized with their names. It's very inexpensive. I want to say it's like $5 a piece. And so we got them each their own customized, beautiful birthday button that they can wear.
Next, we're off to one of our favorite restaurants in all of Disney at my favorite hotel, Disney Animal Kingdom Lodge. We're eating at Sanaa. So we are heading there.
Yeah, we'll see.
He said this represents the African crane, the yellow pineapple represents its hair, and the red represents the wildebeest. Yes, right now, Amelia, what's that over there?
Over there with black and white stripes.
Yeah.
What's that?
What's it called?
What'd you see over there? What kind of animals do you see? A what?
Zebra?
A zebra? Zebra. Okay, what do you see over here? What's over here on this side?
Got the spots and it's really cold.
A what? Giraffe. One. Yeah, what is that? One what? Giraffe.
There, and I see one over there.
And
So I know two and two.
It's crazy. Look at them, girls.
Hey, this one is really close. No, here's one really close. That's big.
It's big, yeah.
I see